Hey friends, I have an unboxing video today. I have a large box from Sizzix since I joined their creative team, which I am so excited about, and I wanted to share with you what I got in this giant box. I will have everything listed down below in case you're curious about any of these items, but I have the intricate craft tool set, the paper sculpting kit, which comes with cute little scissors. I also have the new release from Vicki Boutin, so including this adorable Greenery Layers #1. This is a stamp and die set. This is the Buildable Backgrounds #1 stencil set, and these are A6 in size. There's also an A5 set called Buildables Botanicals #1, which I'm going to use in a video this week. It's adorable. I love the stencils. We have the Vicki Script #1, these really perfect sentiments for Valentine's Day. And we have the double edgers Thinlits to create really nice borders for your cards or any project. I have the Floral Layers #1, again, another stamp and coordinating die set. Back to tools, we have the Surfacez craft tool set. I also have this rectangle starter set from Stacey Park and Sizzix, which will do embossing, but like leave a little partial area and not emboss. So I'm really excited for those plates. I have some cardstocks packs. I have the muted colors. I also have the assorted colors. I'm really excited to have these beautiful textured cardstock packs. I also have a set of white cardstock. This is just like a nice smooth pack of really nice thick white cardstock. And I also have this set of black, ivory, and white. So a bunch of neutrals, again, in a smooth, really nice thick cardstock. I also have the Effects Multimedia mat. I think it got a little damaged in transit, but that's okay. The mat is fine, but I'm excited to use that for ink blending and multimedia, different types of products. I also have the gray blending tool set and the gray Sizzix Effects Craft tool set. So lots of fun new tools to use. They all kind of work together as well. So I'm excited to build up my tool stash. Here's a closer look at the new Vicki Boutin. So I have, again, Floral Layers #1. There are dies that cut out the stamped images as well as just pretty dies on their own. Same with the Greenery Layers #1. I think I'm most excited about that double edger die set. I love the different styles and the different edges. The sentiments are beautiful. They are huge sentiments. You'll see in my video tomorrow. I have the buildable botanicals and the buildable backgrounds. Again, these are Sizzix stencil sets that coordinate really well with their products as well. So I'm excited to create with these. You'll see a lot from Vicki Boutin and Sizzix this month, and I'm excited for future collaborations. But let me know what you think of these new products, and if you have any of these tools yourself, let me know in the comments so I can get tips from you all. Bye!